You're not just a physical being living in a concrete world. You're an energy force existing in a universe where everything is buzzing with vibrant energy. Think of yourself as an energy transmitter. You're constantly sending out signals to the universe, broadcasting your essence to the cosmos. These signals can either draw things towards you or push them away, depending on the energy you radiate. When your energy is all about anger and frustration, your reality tends to mirror that negativity. Conversely, if you radiate positivity, wealth, and abundance, your life responds by bringing more of those good things your way. Your thoughts are like powerful magnets, attracting experiences that align with what occupies your mind. So, if you want to change your life, you need to change the signals you're sending out. Adjust your thoughts and emotions to match what you desire. This way, you can shift the patterns and experiences that flow into your life. Your thoughts are not random mental processes. They carry energy and vibrations. Each thought sets off a specific frequency that aligns with corresponding experiences. Your thoughts are the seeds that manifest your future, so choose them wisely. You have the power to control your energy. When you're feeling low, shift your attention to something uplifting. Surround yourself with positive people and engage in joyful activities. Protect your energy by setting boundaries and avoiding negativity. Trust in the power of energy to bring remarkable transformations into your life. By believing in yourself and the universe's guidance, you can create significant transformations and realize your aspirations. Connect with your inner self, feel the energy within you, and know that you are capable, worthy, and loved. Your vibrations echo throughout the universe, co-creating a reality beyond your wildest dreams. Remember, you're not just a drop in the ocean, you're the entire ocean in a single drop. Embrace your vibrations, consciously choose your thoughts, and watch as your reality transforms in remarkable ways. If you found this helpful, please consider sharing and commenting. Your support means the world. Have a beautiful day.